Watch yourself. Go on, flip that thing. Oh, yeah. Close right. They got this. I'm gonna come behind you. Sorry, man. Sorry, I didn't mean to touch your ass right there.
You yellow, you're gonna take that.
Okay. Nice one.
There is a dead body in it.
Good.
That was in.
Ready?
Yeah, listen.
3, 2, 1, go for the Republic! Go, lads, go! Fucking go! Go! Oh, just like on a run, hit!
I'll go, mate.
With you. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mate, do it as light as you can do it. Let's have a look. Oh. Love it. This is the hand of a dead man. Come on. Yep. Nice one. Lovely. He's on fire. One more. Get the UAV. Go on, one more. Glenada! Get down! No?
At least.
Whoa, fuck me. Yeah. God, it's right on the nose. We'll go far left on the wall. All of us, let's go. For the Republic! Go! Go! Keep going, lads! Go! Go!
Yeah, mate.
That's a nice little roll. Pass it down.
Me name's Steve.
Oh no!
I'm sorry, my friend.
No! Why? Please, why? Dun, 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 dun. Let's pick that helmet, you reckon? First try, ready? Oh, baby! Hit. Nice trade, man. That's good, that's good.
You've got to try this one, you know?
Yeah, oh yeah.
And all the mechanics as well.
Oh, hell yeah, mechanics, boys. Oh, God.
You dead? Yeah, go on in. You dead? Yep. Right, yellow! Check it! There's somebody else here, there's a gun lying on the ground. Stray for lols.
Oh, fucking shit! Oh, I'm a fucking testy! Yo, dude. Do you want to rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Right. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Oh wait, did you thought I was yellow?
I thought you were yellow then.
Oh really? Yeah, I'm red. Nah, I got, mate, we rock, paper, scissors, he lost.
Yeah, you can still grenade him if you want.
Nah, let him out, let him out. It's this hall right here.
I mean, that's fucking clever though, me.
That's fucking good, mate. You good?
Yeah, all good. It was like rock, paper, scissors.
Mate, your shoe, literally, it was just this hole right there.
Oh, that's so big.